In this video, we'll show you the three approaches of syncing timecode from TC-Neo to Saramonic K9. We'll be needing a 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable and your phone. Before we get started, please make sure the frame rates are consistent on TC-Neo and Saramonic K9. To adjust the frame rate on K9, go to the TC Sync page, select the internal TC, and hit OK button to adjust the frame rate. We're using 25 FPS as an example in this video. Then you want to choose Auto as your timecode sync mode. Plug the 3.5mm cable to your TC-Neo and the other end goes to the audio port on K9. K9 will then automatically recognize the timecode and sync. The second approach for syncing timecode is through aligned channels. For example, channel B. Select channel B on both TC-Neo and Saramonic K9. Press sync on TC-Neo and timecode will be synced to K9 wirelessly. The third approach will be Saramonic system. Make sure that both TC-Neo and K9 are connected to Saramonic system via Bluetooth. Set TC-Neo as the master timecode and hit sync all to complete the process. Thank you for watching. You can always go to Saramonic.com to download a detailed user manual. And if you need more help with the system, please contact us at support@saramonic.com.